Hello everyone. So if you want to enhance your file transferring experience on any Android phone, follow the simple steps. So let's enable our OTG connection. Let's start with opening up our phone dialer app. Then we gotta use our secret code, which sounds like *#0808#. There we are. Now we're in this USB settings. So let's make sure that it's set on MTP and let's press OK. Now we got a message that it's saved and it's a very good sign. So let's follow up with the second step. Let's open up our settings and let's scroll down to the very bottom. Let's open up our About Phone tab, our Software Information tab, and now we gotta locate our build number. So we are to tap on it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's enter our password or simply your pattern or your fingerprint. Is just a simple identity check. So let's go back to our main settings and let's locate our developer options. So by tapping 7 times on the build number, we activated our developer options. So in our developer options, first of all, let's locate our USB debugging option. Make sure to activate it and press OK while confirming that you're allowing the USB debugging process. As the second step, let's scroll down and locate our default USB configuration. There we are. This is the setting. Let's choose it and make sure to set it on transferring files because that's exactly what we need. So set it on transferring files. And basically that's it. Now you can close your settings and use your phone to transfer some files. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.